This
Okay.
meeting is being recorded.
Hello,
Hello, hello.
hello.
So we can start directly.
I think so.
Yeah.
By the way, who gonna record the meeting? Like all the details, those. If no one gonna record, I record can I share my screen then. Wait. Can see
Yeah.
Okay. You guys speak slowly later. Like I scared that I will can't catch up.
Okay.
Okay.
Then what should we discuss first?
I think we check
Uh,
the PDF first.
Okay.
all attribute object classes. Okay. I think maybe you have to know the classes we need first. Easier for us to decide all the attributes and methods those and the relationships.
Yeah, I just want to say that.
First class should be a game class.
About a game process, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like this class have everything about this game.
Okay. I name it as game process, okay. Or we can change later.
Okay.
Okay. And then what else?
A class for the object. Any object that are like visible in the game.
You mean class for obstacle and nasi lemak, like our main character?
Could be say so. I think that there's a class that include the common attribute of all objects in the game. Then the nasi lemak itself, I think need another class. Yeah.
Okay, so one class for like the objects for their general attributes, like their common attributes, and the other class specifically for nasi lemak.
Yeah. So you can just name one as game object and the other as nasi lemak.
Okay. Uh, next.
Then from here I think you can know what attribute can be included in a game object. You can
Game
include the
object.
x coordinate and y coordinate to represent the position. And then you also need width and length for the size.
So
So it's x, y, and then width and height.
Yeah, because we doing the 2D, right? So I think should be like that only.
Wait, wait for reference.
so four attributes,
X,
right?
x, y,
X,
width,
Y,
height.
with height. Or this integer. Integer.
Mm.
This double.
Um, Not sure yet, but just
Just
set it
just
first.
let just let it be double first.
Mm.
And then the methods. That's a tough one to think about. Mm,
Uh, so should we add something for the game process?
game process. Here?
Should we?
What do you
I
mean?
think
For
you
the method?
can. We do the method first, the game object method. So maybe we have to update the position of the game object. So you can create a method called update position.
Isn't we need a class for the drawing first? I think we are
Drawing?
at the like the object drawing. Because we have to draw our object.
Okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Drawing. Okay. And then is the position method, like just now you mentioned, right? To update the position of the object. So when the nasi lemak is running, or like the obstacles, the food, since the scene is changing. Is it?
Yeah.
Then I just write up that position. Why the others so quiet?
Thinking.
Okay, thinking. Okay.
If the
And
objects
then,
come together,
sorry?
I think we need to check if the object will be collect together.
Oh,
Is it need to involve in them process class?
Yeah, I agree. I think could be included in this class. So we can check the bounding box overlap. Then in the game process class, I think also need a class to check the like interaction between the player, which is the nasi lemak, with other object or like food or obstacles.
okay. So, I get the idea already. But then it's like for checking collision, right? We need to accept an object from game class as parameter. Like so they can related in association relationship.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. So
Then you just step down.
I need to update two methods, right? Check collision. And then in the game process. But then how the attributes, the association relationship is gonna be related I'm not sure how to make it. How to write it. Parameter. Is it I just create an object in the parameter? How to
Yeah,
write it?
I think you should use the game. Wait, wait. It should point the other like food or obstacle or nasi lemak in the parameter. So you just
Yeah, just leave it blank first. Like we have the
yeah.
idea it is for association. Okay.
So I think we have clear idea about the methods and attribute. Can we go back
At game. Okay. Here.
to
Uh,
so we have check collection method in game object already. I think we need a method to initialize and start the game. Since our game is Nasi Lemak Run, so obviously we need one of the attribute to have something to do with the running action, and also the
wait.
method
Can you be
for
slow?
ending.
Can you be slow?
Okay,
Like
okay.
one by one.
I think first we should have a method
A
for
method
starting a game
starting again. Okay.
and also ending the game.
Ending the game. Okay.
Then we should have one attribute to check if our character is running. So it should be a Boolean one
Boolean.
is running, Boolean, and then it's running.
Oh,
Check
it's
run also
running.
can.
Okay. I just make the name like that. I just simply jot down first.
Okay.
And then maybe we need a class to update the player, like to update the player and all the objects, since the image is keep changing every second. Like the nasi lemak is running and then the scene is keep changing. So we need a class to update it, like make it more easier, clearer. The logic is more clearer. Easier.
So it's like updating. Is it?
Yeah, maybe like updating the position or
Mm.
their drawing as well. Like every second we need to draw like different posture of the nasi lemak.
You mean in which class?
Like we need a new class right now.
A new
So,
class.
Yeah, the class is for updating the player and all the objects. Since the image is keep changing, so like the drawing is keep changing also. So we will have to draw a new drawing for every objects, I think.
Anything else?
Maybe also a method for drawing, like what Lara said, I think. The same.
In this class, like the class I mentioned just now. Oh yeah. Game
No,
drawing.
actually, we have I think we don't need this class because we already have drawing in the game object class. So it should be using inheritance, and then this drawing method will pass down to the other class like nasi lemak or food or obstacle.
Oh, so you mean like we need a drawing class in the game process?
Yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
I think I can just add that.
Okay.
You write
And
draw
then
game of drawing. Okay.
inheritance.
Yeah.
Okay. The attributes.
Speed, because the nasi lemak will run faster, right?
Speed.
The game will get faster.
Okay. Nicole, you say anything?
So I just asking you just
Oh, okay, okay. The others?
I think score also needed, right? To record the
Score.
score.
Score, okay. We faster lah. What's talking there?
So you have option to raise up the game. And locally we have the fitness class, the class, and class.
Can't hear you leh.
Says, so we have the tutorials to raise up the game. And that's only the object of document.
She say maybe we should add the object of nasi lemak class as the attribute in the game process.
Ah, okay, I get it. Nasi lemak object, okay. And then, attribute to indicate the activation. What's the data type for it? Or I just bool ah? I just simply write down.
Attribute activation. I think we already have it because we already have the boolean, right? Oh, you're right already.
This one, right? Bool active.
I think you can put it's running, like when the nasi lemak is running, we know the game is started.
Is running. This one, this one.
Yeah, the
The
active one.
attribute. No, the
Eh?
this one, yeah. Because we're talking about attribute. We already have the
Oh,
method.
you
Now
mean
we
change the name ah?
yeah, it's running.
Okay.
Then this one is done.
Okay. And then maybe like just now we mentioned, because this class is about the game process, right? So maybe I think it will interact with all the others object in the game.
Mm.
So maybe we need a game. We need a dynamic list of pointer pointing to all the game object. Is it?
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't understand what you mean.
I mean, because the game class will control the flow of the game. So maybe we need a list of game objects as attributes. So this class can relate with the other group, like just now I mentioned. Because it will control all the objects like during the game process.
Okay. Sorry, forgive me. I just blank just now.
Okay. Can you just stop it and then like all of this class is right? Like I'm writing all the thing correctly, right?
So far, I think everything needed is
Game
added up. Just continue.
pointer dynamic allocate. Okay.
Okay.
Then we move forward to the nasi lemak class. We haven't do anything to it yet. Anyone? Can we please faster?
Nasi lemak class is not for the red player character with jumping behavior.
Yeah, I
Uh,
think only jumping. So we need an attribute for the jumping.
The speed of jumping and fall.
exactly, man. Guys, so smart. Okay, I just write it down. I think you guys are correct. Oh my
Let's write it as
god.
one is checking the jumping one.
Speed.
Boolean is jumping.
What boolean is jumping? What do you mean?
Apa speed? Wait lah, wait lah.
Okay.
Okay. That's all.
That's all. Okay. What else? What else? So only one attribute.
Mm,
Mm, I think two attribute, right? The other one is the jumping one, as mentioned previous.
Oh, okay. Jumping. What's the data type?
Boolean.
Boolean. Okay. Method. What the method?
Method. Because method means
Wait,
jump
this
method.
meeting
Hey.
will end in 5 minutes.
Need to make a new
Yeah, we
bonding.
need. Yeah. We just stop here
Yeah.
first. Okay.
Okay.
This meeting is being recorded.
Okay. I don't really
Okay,
with
continue.
method. I know what the first method is the jump method. But
Jump method.
basically, yeah. I think basically it's method to trigger the jumping.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Boolean? Is it Boolean?
Oh wait, it's a method, right? So
Yeah, method. I mean the return type.
just we set it first. So let it be.
Okay, let it be first.
Yeah.
What else?
I think the method to update the position.
Okay, update position. What else? We need the drawing one, right? For nasi lemak, because we have to draw ourselves.
Um,
Yeah.
this is a method for
Okay.
like five food set.
A method for collect food. I don't know what it is.
I know. I get it. I think that one is needed as well.
Just include it.
It's okay. We
Yeah.
we explain to you later.
Okay.
You just write it first.
I just write it as collect food.
Mm.
Okay. And also, the nasi lemak will die after hit the obstacle, right? And then
Mm.
if I think we need a method for it to detect like whether the nasi lemak hit an obstacle or not. So can update it is dead or it is live. Is it?
Yeah, we need that. So I think you can write it down. So right now,
Okay.
total 5 method, right?
hit or stack. Yeah, for now.
Okay.
So the jumping one, the update position, drawing, food collection, and hit obstacle. That's 5. I'm not sure if the return data type, so I just let it blank first, so later on when we doing the report, we can think more about it.
Okay. Then what really the class we need to do? We need to create a class for each of the character include the game. Include in the game. So one for nasi lemak, and then for food one for obstacle.
Yeah, I think so. This one will make the code easier and clearer. Wow, Nicole.
Wow, so smart.
Of course.
So we have the nasi lemak one already. And so now I just have to add food and obstacle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think for the food one, the only attribute needed is points, right? Because food only used for collect point or deduct point.
Mm.
Okay.
So just put point value.
Integer point. What else? For the method.
Yeah, then for the method, of course, and like the nasi lemak class, before we need a method for drawing.
I can't hear you.
Okay, that's I just like the nasi lemak class before we did like for the drawing of the food, I think.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Agree. But we have to draw it ourselves.
So this
Draw.
is like inheritance and polymorphism, right? The relationship. Like we use the drawing from the game object, is it?
Right now, we need to go to first. Oh yeah, that's correct. What is food inheritance from the game?
Then why is polymorphism?
Yeah. Explain it.
I think maybe when the game holds a game object with pointer and it calls the drawing method of this game object as I highlighted here. So it will automatically call the version of draw that matches the actual object type. So if I
Oh.
call this drawing method in this game object, and then it will return the food drawing.
Oh, okay, I get it. Then the position update method also needed, right? Because like the nasi lemak, the scene is moving as a nasi lemak is running.
Yeah, and also the inheritance and polymorphism as the concept are the same.
So just add update position first.
Okay, update position.
And then maybe one more is for the score effect, like when the character
Wait. The
It-
update
it is-
position just now, you guys say the relationship is what already?
It's same as the
Same. Oh,
drawing.
okay.
Same.
Just
Okay. Okay. And then
and one more method, maybe for the score effect.
score effect. Okay. Any relationship? No.
This one no lah, I think just for this class, so no relationship.
Okay, so 3 classes for this class or 3 methods for this class only, right?
Mm.
The
Okay,
last
the last one.
obstacle. Is it the last one?
Yes.
Okay, like finally. So attributes.
The last class is for the obstacle.
Obstacle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Attributes.
Attributes. The type of obstacle? Could it be?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, I just write. Type of obstacle. What's the data type? Oh my god, it's so
I
tough.
think
Let me check.
you just
String. I think
mm,
can be string.
String. Oh yeah, string. Okay. String. Type. Okay. What else?
that's all.
That's all.
Because like other attributes don't have to include. You can just use the method.
Okay, then for the
Is-
method.
Only one.
Yeah, only one.
Then same as just now, so all the character we need like drawing method and update position method.
Drawing. Do we have to figure it the return data type of the function, right? And the method right now? Or we can figure later on? Like, should we
Later, I
include
think later.
later?
Because some of the method you actually don't need a return type. You can just let it be void.
Oh, okay. But then I just get that like if teacher like this video.
I think most of them is void lah.
Okay, then just ignore. I think
Later
we
I
don't have
draw.
to. Yeah, later later. Update drawing, update position.
I think a method to end the game. Like once the nasi lemak hit the obstacle, right? Then the nasi lemak will die. So maybe can use to apply the effect of the end game or something.
Yeah. I think that's the main purpose of heritage. I think the details of this method we can figure out later. Just read as a concept.
Okay. I think we just need to know the roughly idea right now. Because if you have all this framework already, after this will be super easy of thinking about the details.
Yeah,
So just make our meeting faster.
I think that's all already. Yeah. We have settled the object class already.
Okay. How about
Then, but we still have to know the relationship and the method of the method with other, right? So maybe we can discuss about it and I draw the diagram at the same time.
um I think can.
Mm,
Okay. But how to draw the UML diagram? I mean, like how, like using what app or hand drawing?
Teacher sends PDF saying that you can use the Draw IO. So maybe you can use that one.
Oh, okay. I didn't saw it. So for this PDF about the classes, attributes, methods, all done already, right? I just save it and then later I will send to you guys. Can I?
yeah.
Fine.
Okay. So I stop our sharing.
So maybe I can do a drawing.
Okay, can. Wait, I stop the sharing first. My God, how? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Automatically. Okay. Do you guys like see my screen?
Yeah. Very
so
clear.
we draw the first class first. It should be what class? Game is it? Game. And then what is this? I'm not really familiar with this. And then the attribute, is it? For
The
UML?
attribute. Wait, I have to check. Game process, attribute, speed, score. Double, speed, integer, score, and then an object of nasi lemak class,
Mhm.
and then it's running Boolean data type.
It's running. Okay. What else?
And then,
Nasi lemak.
yeah, that's the object.
So hard to use. Wait. For the nasi lemak, how should I write it?
Oh, I just write it nasi lemak as the data type because it's an object, and then I just write,
Ah,
yeah, the object.
oh, this one is data type.
Yeah, nasi lemak is data type, and then I just write the object as obj, just for
Okay.
current space.
I name it as a player. And then
And then
the
the pointer, the game object pointer, but this one we don't know like clearly the details. How should it be declared? So,
we leave it first.
and then for the relationship, we haven't discussed yet, right?
I
We
think
draw
we
UML
can,
first.
yeah, we can draw all the class first, then
We
we
draw each class
relate.
first, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Object. So the game check. Okay.
Yeah, but it will be pointer and then, but not yet know how to get it, so just let it be. And then for the method, we have, let me check. We have check collision. I think all the method here will be void. Just let it be void. So void.
Okay.
Check collision and then start game. Oh, sorry. Start game, end game.
Update.
Just update.
No update here. Drawing.
Oh,
And then the drawing one just now we have discussed a bit is inheritance, the relationship.
actually for the relationship, we can use the arrow later for this diagram.
Oh yeah.
So I don't have to write anything.
Yeah.
Anything
And then
else?
the check run.
Check run.
For
Clara, can you send your
yeah.
No.
yeah, you send it to the group.
Okay.
Then at the same time, I do another part first. After
Wait. Okay, I sent in the group already.
let me open. So drawing check run. Okay. Okay, so now the next class, the game object class. I complete the attribute already. Just write the method. Should
Okay.
have draw, right?
Mm.
Then section. Uh, I leave it first, the parameter. Okay, and then another tree.
How many time we still have for this meeting? Like the VBAX will limit our time.
How to see?
I don't know leh.
Huh? At the right top, there's a timer, right? But it only records how
But it's
long
about
did this
our
meeting.
meeting time, like the duration of the
Ah.
meeting right now. But it's not like the time left. I think it's 40 minutes just like Zoom.
Either 40 minutes or 1 hour, I think.
I think 40 minutes, we didn't do 1 hour leh, just now.
Wow.
So we only have 15 minutes left
Ah, okay,
for
again,
this
very
meeting.
fast. I
It's
can do
okay, you
it.
take your time, you take your time. We can open another link. A lot of shit, a lot of things need to be discussed.
Oh my God.
Oh really? Oh my god.
Last one, hit obstacle. Okay, circle. So update on hit. Hit, hit the thing. Okay, last one. Good
Yay.
point value. And then change the last one. What is it? Store it. Okay, that's all.
Okay. So we have to discuss the relationship right now, right?
Yes.
But let's talk about the
Okay.
theory.
My God.
So, huh?
She need to charge her laptop. Emergency.
Huh? You want to charge your laptop? Okay.
Should we
Where are we?
just open a new
New link. Ah?
Oh,
the-
okay, okay.
Yeah.
I think we got enough time, right? We have a bit left.
Okay. Okay.
Just
we can do
relationship.
it.
We just go it fast. Okay.
Okay, okay. So
Okay.
we start now.
Start.
Ah,
Okay, so I think the inheritance part is quite clear, right? Like the one nasi lemak, food, obstacle are all inherit from the game object, right?
Yeah, I agree. It's like the X, Y, width, height, and all the common
Mm.
method like drawing, update position, they're all inherent. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We wait you to draw the arrow.
I don't remember how to draw
Okay,
the
okay.
format there.
Okay, take your time.
Okay, this arrow. Do we have this arrow? We macam don't have this arrow. I use this first,
Okay.
Okay, okay.
like this.
It's not the final URL, but anyway.
Okay, you guys can continue.
Continue. Polymorphism.
No.
Okay, we're done.
The best
Oh,
part is
mhm.
you can use polymorphism with those things. Like the game, right? Just store that as game object pointer. Then we just call the draw and update position function. Or method.
Oh, you mean
Mm.
like even though it's a game object pointer, and then the current method will be called depending on the actual object lah.
Yeah. It's basically like if it is a food, then you will draw the food, or while it is a obstacle, then you will draw the obstacle like rubbish bin or maybe corn or something else.
Okay, got it. I think makes sense. You
I
have to
think
draw
later
the
we can add some label here, which is I mean use any symbol lah, so we can know the relationship. Later we
okay.
put here.
Okay,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
edit the Word document later and then I send it to you guys again.
I found this how to draw.
So it's polymorph. You have to draw the polymorphism right now, right? Polymorphism. Let me check.
I
for
don't
you.
see any arrow for polymorphism actually.
If it is not, means that it have to be written in the box. Is it? Let me check.
But actually, the polymorphism part, we also take it as inheritance, right? And I already have draw the inheritance arrow. Maybe I
Also,
think,
no need to use polymorphism.
I think so. We just continue with the association.
Association. Wait. It's hard. It's so tough. Anyone have idea?
Mm,
Hello?
I think we have some association like game has nasi lemak object, right? Then right here, this one, and then the object, and that one is considered as composition because the player is part of the game.
Yeah, so meaning that if the game ends, then the player also gone.
Yeah,
Then for the food and obstacle, they store in a vector of game object pointer. So it's aggregation. So that means the game object pointer is a vector return type.
Yeah, I
Is
think it
it?
is because they will be created and deleted during the game.
Yeah, they will like appear and disappear, right?
Yeah.
So it's
About the method.
aggregation.
Like when nasi lemak calls collect methods.
or maybe this one. This is also association because the nasi lemak class need to interact with the food class, like, but it doesn't own see that.
Yeah, just same as the obstacle calling on hit nasi lemak pointer player, and the food calling the apply effect of nasi lemak pointer player.
Okay,
So there is
so
association, aggregation.
let me draw two more arrows.
Okay.
Like the game process need to use this one and also the nasi lemak. Yeah. Okay. I think this one is done.
Done everything?
Yes.
We
Yes.
done
Done.
everything.
Yes.
I think if we miss anything, we just like discuss and inform in our group. So I can add to the report and the explanation also.
Okay.
So nothing else. So I can
Mm.
already.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Whee! Bye.
Bye.
Like finally.